Let's try mac and cheese with shrimp again. But this time, I have cooked large black tiger shrimp that looks so delicious and so big. Let's cook. So I got a big bag of these frozen cooked black tiger shrimp. I love the brilliant color of the tails. Let's use about a full cup. Take the tails off so we don't bite into them by accident later. I'll leave the tails on a few to use as a garnish. I don't want to waste that dramatic color. But let's get the macaroni cooking first. 1 cup of plain elbow macaroni. I don't want the pasta to detract from the shrimp. 1 cup of cream. I think I picked up half and half here, so a bit of flour later to thicken if needed. And a cup of water. Get that boiling. A tablespoon of garlic powder. Half a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. More if you like the spicy, salty taste. If you don't have Old Bay, try chili powder. Two tablespoons of butter, and let that melt. Stir often. A taste test. It needs a bit of salt, but remember what I said about the Old Bay saltiness. And stir some more, about 10 minutes in all. Let's see if the pasta is done. It's almost there. It is a bit runny, so a tablespoon of flour. Stir some more so it doesn't burn. And I'll cut the shrimp into thirds so that each forkful gets a bit of shrimp as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And shrimp into the pot. Add a half cup of shredded cheese. A final stir. Serve it out. Breadcrumbs as garnish. And decorate with those extra tail-on shrimp. Enjoy!
Those big shrimp really made a nice difference. Wonderful.
Ingredients: 1 cup of macaroni, 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 cup cooked shrimp, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, a half tablespoon Old Bay seasoning, a half a cup of shredded cheese, salt to taste, breadcrumbs to garnish.